This is Dina Okba. I'm a miniaturist and I do the art of recycle. If this is the first time you know me, so see my videos, and if you like them, subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. I need a lot of comments. I need a lot of activity on my channel, because will help me a lot and help the channels to grow up. So hit the notification bell on all so you can see all my videos. And I need your opinion and what we can do, what else we can do. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. So let's start. Now I have those mold. They are metal. I'm just putting here some hand cream because when I put the dough, I don't want it to be stick inside. So I'm just putting it and make sure that I put it everywhere. Don't put too much, but just a reasonable amount. And I make sure that it is everywhere. Now I'm using here the salt dough because it's the most dough which is really look like the real cake, baked cake. Okay, the texture and everything. I just try to put it now in the mold and squeeze it. Very nice, especially on the sides, so it will take the shape. I'm not gonna worry about that if it comes out or not, because the cream, when I put it, it helps to make it come out. Leave a comment for me, please, if you want to ask about any other questions. So with this tool, I'm going to make it smooth. Don't put too much pressure. You can do the same thing with the salt dough, but I prefer the with the porcelain dough, but I prefer the salt dough. Now I'm going to make a mixture between a little bit of this salt dough. I'll mix it and then make it a little bit like liquidy, adding PVE glue and little bit color to make the base in the tart, like custard. So it is PVE glue with the cake, with the dough. I just spread it equally. Now it comes that I will make apples. I used to have apples, I cut them and I leave them here, but I'm using here the salt dough to make those kind of apples. Then I color them the same color as I want. Then you can slice them. Now, to speed the work, I just put them in the freezer for 1 hour almost, so they become hard. So when I cut them, they are firm and they don't mix the colors. The color will not mix together. I have to work fast because the dough becomes soft again from the heat of my hand. So what normally I do, I take 2 apples in a go. I cut them, then I go again to the freezer. I bring another 2 apples. I don't bring all the apples outside because by the time I reach the last one, it's already soft. Those apples in the plate, I have done them before, so they are hard. Now I'll start to put the apples. Seems I want. Just want to put them this shape. You can follow me on Facebook. This is my account. Make sure that the custard, it's not a custard, but which is normally it's supposed to be a custard. Make sure that it won't come on top of the apple because it's not difficult. It's not easy to clean it. Here we go. After I finish it, this is another tart, which is apple inside. This is pie. If you want me to make a video to show how to make this one, please write for me in the comments. And this is a walnut tart. I have done it before. And the walnut tart, I cut, then I put it back again, so we can see how it looked like from inside. Now after baking this tart, I have to just put a little bit of this colors to give indication that it is like well done or cooked, or well, not burned, but yes, like slightly. I do this before I put the varnish. Oh, let me give you a hint here. When I'm making the sourdough to make this pie, I'm just adding a little bit of vanilla essence, so the pie will really smell good. So if you use this piece as a fridge magnet and you just put it on the fridge like this, it will remain smelling like vanilla or the essence of the cake, you know. Now I'll put varnish, and I put a little bit of crystal of sugar. Now I'm not going to be worried that the crystal will melt with the raisin. The varnish I put it is raisin, okay. Then on top of it I put a little bit of crystal of sugar. I'm not going to be worried, as I said, because the sugar dissolves in water, but it doesn't dissolve in raisin, so it will remain there. It will be hard and remain there. Now here is the pie after I bake it. Sorry for that, it's a little bit burnt. And you can follow me on TikTok as well. And that's it. I hope you like it. Please, if you like it, just leave a comment for me and tell me what you want me to do next. And if you first see me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel if you are interested to see my work. And say mashallah, because this is a word we say it always when we like something in Arabic. So yeah, and you can join me in Facebook. Thanks for watching, my guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Please if you hit the notification bell. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.